5 stars. Straight up. Saudi had 12 seizures. Or a light one.
No, she can the new one.
Yeah.
I got back upstairs.
Because last time we had the blue and the red blue and stuff, and this time we got psychedelic. What? Straight up. How many more have you got? I wish they would help set them off, but no. This is 30. I don't know, how many have you guys got? Oh boy. Where'd it go? Are setting any off? Are they setting any off? Who? Harley's grandparents? I don't know.
No, she said no, she is not. She don't have any fireworks.
They set off all the big ones, and by the time y'all get y'all blouses out,
What was that?
What are you doing?
it's gonna get fire.
It can't hold it. Second, if it goes on the ground, it'll go on fire. That was the candle head.
Yeah, that's not safe.
I don't know if it wouldn't stand up in the yard or what.
Yeah, it wouldn't stand up.
It's flat, like the bucket, and I have a platform over here. Careful.
That one was dangerous.
That one.
Oh.
That one was kind of dangerous. Uh-oh. This one. You look a lot of smoke, oh, I can tell you.
They're knocking the skaters down. They can't, you darn skaters.
You knock a lot more than mosquitoes down.
I wouldn't have to be down. Cedar, I guess that'll have to work.
Check out.
There you go, Bouncing Betty.
Woohoo! Yeah, buddy.
Break out that 454.
Yeah.
Calling from that black powder here. Make it cream.
Ooh! That's pretty. There was one last year that was really, really tall in there. It was pretty.
Okay.
Driveway. Kind of hovers. Right there. Kind of hovers.
Hey, you guys.
Yeah. Thanks for watching out, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Safety first.
You're not going to have nightmares. No. That right there is right. I like the smell. Yeah. You think Daddy and Uncle John's going to let you? How pretty. The red white. Okay, those things. It's the only time I... No light, but...
There's actually a light on the ground.
What?
I like it. A lot of smoke in these days.
Who's setting those off?
Princess Rock.
Frog.
Frog?
Yep, the frog. It's bright, shining spark. And I asked him what the difference between the princess frog and the prince and the frog.
Kind of like that one went off on the ground.
Oh! job of done it.
You're like Hawaiian. Hawaii. Kitty. That's worse than tequila. I was hanging. Oh, I got that big old rock fire. Start on fire. Well, I hadn't think about that. You know where I was at?
It shot up on how high? It kept on and burned. He started really getting nasty and yeah. Not too bad. Front, right there. Is that new one that y'all got? Yeah. We've never seen that one before.
Hey, you know you're going back to our house.
Oh.
I want to see fireworks. Our chair.
Okay.
Woo! Woo!
Crazy exciting. Okay, that's that one that he wanted to get.
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa! That was crazy exciting, all right?
Done.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
That was cool. Overdrive.
Overdrive.
Oh, yeah.
There was a pattern there.
You can't have it.
Forsaker!
Oh.
Green. Red light. Oh. Failed.
Oh.
Ready. Green. Red light.
Oh.
Red light.
Ooh.
Green light.
Oh.
Mark.
One mark.
Yellow.
Oh.
Stop.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh.
Right spark, all right. Woo.
Ooh. Woohoo.
Hypnotic. You're out.
Red light! Red light! Red light! I'll take
Backlash.
Backlash.
I thought it was never going to stop.
That's something.
Black glass.
Right off in there. Dark horse.
What?
Dark horse.
Dark horse.
Chris, come here. I need a
Woohoo.
shield. Come here.
Help me, Captain
Dark horse was awesome.
Fire thing.
What?
Burn it up. You got
Burn it up.
Burn it up. Doing the gas thing. I'm retired. I retired. I think it's called
When they were broken silence. Before they even talked. Destroyer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
That was pretty. Frantic.
Oh. Oh.
Wow.
It's mom again. It's mom, I
Hey.
Endearing freedom.
Endearing freedom. Ballistic.
Whoa.
Ballistic.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Do them?
Fireworks.
That means all over.
No, not
How about the fall over back here? I'm sitting down.
That was a dirty one. Oh, I thought you were so boom.
Stone cold.
Stone cold.
I know it. Oh. Yep. That was pretty.
So 500 grams.
Open area.
Oh, okay.
I guess that is.
What is it called? Oh. cool, yeah.
Oh, they're loving it. Oh. Woo! Yep. Okay. Good night. Love you too. Bye-bye.
Holy moly.
Ember falling over there.
Mom going to the house?
Yeah, she's gonna go ahead and get her shower.
Yeah, she should have already been in bed anyway.
Sparklers.
You want to go ahead and do
Worse
it?
than sparklers.
Well, that way. Hold him away from the button. Yeah, I'll do him a second. I got time. I don't know if Johnson's leaving right
You
now.
can write your name in there and everything. Do it real fast. Do it fast enough you can write your name.
Yay! Oh shoot! Ow! 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 Ow!
Really, son? Stomp on it.
Oh, my birthday.
Scary.
Those are the
That didn't go for very long.
Not very long at all. Oh, sure.
That one better not go ahead and swing that at me. Becca!
Becca, you gonna kill yourself?
That's number 6, huh?
Right here.
Come on.
Okay, we're recording. Got a chicken. We're gonna light it. It's got a balloon on it. Ooh, it's it.
Seriously?
Is it lit? Oh, yep, it's lit.
Had a ball in it.
Hey, Katie. It laid an actual egg.
It did?
Yeah. Balloon style. Gotta get the show up on that there balloon chicken.
Hey, let me eat this.
An egg.
You don't get
Why are you getting so close?
It's chicken.
If anything exploded, you'd be screaming. Oh, Katie. The egg was not to stay.
All right.